Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make French toast for a 1-year-old baby. We will start by gathering our simple ingredients. You will need 1 slice of bread, 1 egg, and about 2 tablespoons of milk. Opt for whole wheat bread to provide extra fiber and nutrients for your little one. If your baby is under 12 months, you can use breast milk or formula instead of cow's milk. Now, let's prepare our mixture. Take 1 large egg and whisk it thoroughly in a shallow bowl until the yolk and white are well combined. Then, add 2 tablespoons of milk to the whisked egg mixture and stir gently. Next, carefully dip 1 slice of bread into this mixture, making sure both sides are completely coated. The bread should be saturated but not overly soggy. It is time to cook our baby-friendly French toast. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat and lightly grease it with a tiny bit of butter or a healthy oil. Place the dipped bread onto the warm pan. Cook each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until it is golden brown and cooked through. Once cooled slightly, cut the French toast into small, finger-sized pieces, perfect for tiny hands. Finally, let's talk about serving and storage. You can offer the French toast with healthy toppings such as a fruit puree or a thin layer of plain yogurt. Remember to avoid adding any sugar, syrup, or honey, especially since honey is not safe for babies under 12 months old. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Enjoy this nutritious treat with your little one.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.